Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the image of the phone. On this side, phone's name is mentioned. So let's get inside the box. First of all, you can see this hidden lid. So let's have a look at what all you get inside this lid. You can see there is a SIM ejector tool placed right here. Next is documentations part like quick start guide, regional log guide and warranty card. So here we have Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. A 48 megapixel primary camera is placed on the back side of the device. Samsung Galaxy M42 5G is an extremely good looking phone and has a dual tone back panel with this rainbow pattern and also the Samsung branding. Let's turn it on. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging or transfer your data and a 2-pin wall charger that supports 15 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.